Hey guys, so in this quick video I'm going to compare the G24i with the A24i. What are the things you have to be aware of? So first thing first, both got same resolution, and panel type for the G24 you have like better IPS, and I'll just like show you right here that I like prepared for you. This would be the best thing to show you. Just let me show you right here. Okay, so you see right here, both got same size, resolution. G24 got better IPS, refresh rate also, response time we have 6 ms, 1 ms. Both got same brightness, both got same color. HDR you have basic for G24, for adaptive sync you have with G24, and body design is like standard. And you have low blue light, you have like certified here like DC dimming, and power is higher for the G24i. So that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to say. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope this video provided a little bit of value on what is the comparison between both and what you can actually like expect. Now overall, so A24 is for office productivity monitor, slower refresh, slow response, but ultra slim design. G24 is a budget gaming monitor. So what is great about it is that you get 180 Hz and 1 ms response time. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.